Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Several blood biochemical parameters of layer chicken blood in grower base and layer in the upper zona terminal environment. The purpose of this study was to determine the ratio of the response of layer hens in the grower base and layer in response to heat stress environment above the zona thermometer mean 31,5 degrees Celsius. This research was conducted in a poultry house at CV Pamulihan Farm Kuningan, West Java, Fortumon. In a way, 40 laying hens, 20 eggs in the grower and layer pass were 12 weeks and 40 weeks respectively at the start of maintenance. The mean body weight of each pass was 8,4 gram and 17 gram. This research was conducted for 2 months during the dry season, June to August 11 and 2000 with an average ambient temperature during the study period was 31,5 degrees Celsius. The experimental chicken were placed in individual battery cages. Each egg plot is equipped with a place to eat and drink. By method, sampling of livestock blood samples is carried on twice, namely at the end of the first and second month. Then preparation of blood samples in order to obtain protein-free blood filtrate based on the following Wu and Somogyi method for determining glucose levels. And serum is asked for the determination of levels of albumin, globulin, total blood protein. While determining cholesterol levels, blood plasma is asked. Albumin, globulin, and total protein serum are blood plasma as well as glucose and cholesterol are important biomolecules as markers of heat stress livestock. Related to the relationship with blood protein, total albumin, and globulin, it can be explained the stress received from the stressor in the form of heat stress is the result of the interrelation of the organs working mechanism that the stressor is heat stress received by the efferent nerves, which are on all surface of the body to the nervous system center, CNS. The stimuli are passed on to the endocrine system and associate organ. It is this organ that respond to that stress faced by livestock. The low level of albumin and globulin in the layer pass are caused by the activity of natrium metabolism, which is mostly aimed at egg formation. Therefore, there is a decrease in the activity of the immune system in the layer phase compared to the grower phase. Blood protein, including albumin and globulin, are synthesized in cell in response to signal transduction for the formation of estrogen complex with the receptor. This activity is higher in the layer phase because it is aimed at meeting the protein composition of egg white, such as albumin, globulin, avomucoid, avomucin, avotransferrin, flavoprotein, avidin, avoinhibitor. The increase in protein synthesis in the layer pass is what counts the total protein content in the layer pass to be higher than that of the grower. The result of this study indicate that the grower pest has a better immune response than the layer pest. Activation of CAM, adenine monophosphate sisal, is a solution for cattle under stress to produce glucose. When ration consumption decreases or stop to reduce heat increment metabolic heat production and organ energy units, muscle glycogen can become an alternative route for energy supply. This phenomenon is the main reason for the availability of glucose in the blood, with remains higher in the layer phase, even though this phase is more likely to experience stress. However, in the high temperature range that can still be tolerated, the energy production mechanism is still able to be maintained. Of course, the temperature increase away from its comfort zone, so the fish action to carry out its life is stop egg production. The total glucose production is direct to maintain a minimum metabolism in cell. So this is also the reason there will be no conversion of glucose into cholesterol. In condition of temperature stress, the gluconeogenesis mechanism stimulated by cortisol also increases in order to fulfill energy, as there is no difference in cholesterol level between grower and layer. The conclusion is based on the result it can be concluded that the layer phase tend to experience stress due to heat stress. Stress that is still tolerable in the layer phase indicated by that high blood glucose level even though they are producing eggs. Sekian, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.